Do you want me to tell you why I don't want to pick the camera up right now and film today? One, I am so sick of looking like this every time I vlog, but it's just the reality. Kid you not, I think I've already told you guys this before. I didn't want to start vlogging like before I knew that that's what I was going to do. Like the idea of it, I was like, I can't vlog. I was like, I can't get on camera every day and get ready. Well, I picked up the camera every day. I just failed to do the get ready part. And I don't know if it's not aesthetically pleasing to watch or if it is relatable. So I'm gonna go with the latter and assume that it's relatable. But here's another reason why. My entire house is just, it's just, okay, maybe, ooh, here's my reward. I'll do a little try on if I can get my house cleaned up. Let's start here. And last night, Lincoln had the saddest little dream. He never, like, he's the most independent little child. He never needs anyone or nothing. Like, that's just like his personality. Jeez, oh. Okay, Lincoln. I'm not even cleaning this up. I'm just throwing that up there. All right. Lincoln can clean his room when he gets home. I have no, like, what even is all this? I think I'm gonna blame mostly Lady. Those are beads. All right, this is just another task on its own. I can't. Okay, we still have a tree up. Don't judge me. Do any of you guys still have a tree up? You know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna close the door on this one. Okay, that's not for me to deal with right now. Lincoln had a bad dream, and so he came and slept on my floor. And it was the saddest little dream. It made me sad that he was having a bad dream. And then Cody woke up this morning and said he had a bad dream. I was like, what was going on last night? And to be honest, I didn't sleep well. Joel didn't sleep super well. It's like, what, was it something we ate? The one room I am proud of is this room. I have been keeping my makeup all on my counter, and I have like a really big hunch to like make a makeup video. So maybe I should show you everything that I use just like every day, because this is what I basically use every day, and then like all my extra stuff is under here and in the closet and stuff. Anyway, I kind of want to make a video doing that. I wanted like a new outfit for when I do my after photos in the new house over in the kitchen. I hate all of them, so I don't know what to wear. I've gathered all the dirty clothes from upstairs, and we're gonna go down and start a load of laundry. Hi, lady. What are you doing down here, huh? We're just being woolly lazy. This is the current state of the laundry room. This is the cheapest thing that I bought from Walmart, and I flippin' love it. I've never bought one of these racks because I always thought to myself, no, they're gonna crease the clothes. They don't. It doesn't crease the clothes, and normally what I would do is lay all my clothes out on the floor, literally just like sprawled out all over the floor here, all over the end of the couch. I really like this thing, and it dries way faster than like laying them on the floor. And I lay most of my clothes out to dry, so I'll put a link in the description for this. We actually have to take a quick break for a second to read and sign a contract. Forgot to do that. Now that that's done, I'm just going to start tomorrow's upload so that it can be uploading while I finish picking up the house. The kids are home from school, and I have recruited them. They have gathered up all the garbage in the house, and I'm going to make them take garbage cans to the curb because tomorrow is garbage can day. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. No. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and good. Woo. I'm making dinner and I needed my bowl. Lincoln steals this bowl from me every day. I'm almost done making this really good salad, which I definitely want to make a video on. I just haven't yet, and I was going to do it today, but my vegetables and stuff didn't look super fresh. So I decided I'd do it a different day. One of you guys DM'd me and told me about this, and when I very first got it, it didn't work, so I was like, ah, what a piece of crap. But then when I went to throw it away, I tried it again, and it worked so good. See how it just like sprays? Hindsight, I wish I wouldn't have done this right over the oven, like door, because then it makes everything else greasy if it splatters. But my sweet potatoes were looking a little dry, and so I just wanted to spritz them and show you that tool. So if you need something to spray over your veggies, this is the perfect thing. You do something one time and the kids think it's amazing. So do I, actually. It kind of makes a regular dinner feel a little more fancy and just a little more cozy. I hope you can see how pink and purple the sky looks out there. I didn't get a chance to do my try-on haul today, but we are giving Olivia her little try-on haul. I seriously cannot believe.
Like what?
She loves it. Lady.
Bougie little dog. All she wants to do is nap and watch TV all day with a massage. Like,
Lady. Hi.
she's like, oh, don't bother me.
She's like, what do you want now?
Look at her eyes. Like, this dog always has resting dog face. She literally does. And right now, her eyes are smiling at me. Lady. Yeah. Yeah, she's smiling. Your toe is right at the top. Olivia, congrats! We wear the same size shoes! The only reason that I splurged on them is because I was like, well, we can share. All you need is love. This is another shirt that we got for Olivia because possibly she can wear it with those shoes and just jeans for Valentine's Day. So there's that you need to try on. But I want to see this dress on you. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, go try that on and then let's see. Olivia thinks she's going to change her mind with, oh.
Oh, I was like, did you have a massage on you?
Keep going. Oh, Cody, that's nice.
I tried out my airsoft mask and I was seeing if I could actually aim with it on. So my hair's kind of messy from wearing it. Because it matches.
No, I know it sounds a little weird when I say it, but I need bigger strings.
What, having tennis shoes with a dress?
Having Air Forces.
Yep, bigger.
Is it?
I feel like they look big on her.
I think it's just the shoe. It's not like a low profile shoe. That is the sweetest dress.
Yeah.
It is perfect.
And the white straps match.
Especially because we haven't found like a good like Sunday dress.
Yeah. Okay, it's a winner. Okay, super cute. Successful shopping spree. They all fit. Online shopping spree. Olivia, good job. I'm happy. You look so grown up in that shirt right now. Are you kidding me? It's really cute. And you know what would be really cute is if you wore red lipstick with it on Valentine's Day. All right, I'll link everything below for you guys. If you're interested, we're gonna close the vlog. Oh, tell them where you gotta go tonight. Young Women's.
Oh yeah, Young Women's.
Young Women's. Olivia graduated primary.
Wait, so where would